Una oye makuma mohema akusia adia penam. Una oye makuma mohema
Within the aku.
So Miss Lottie, like I was saying, I'm trying to be cool here, and besides, the reason my barber it's not fear is because of my business now. Already I live in a cool life. I crash what I say, but as a business mind, I say we your location new now. Say this that means me family dining here. And case me dining here. Edimichi. And until I'm my barber rent I'm just seeing 1 or 2 years be a bit me there me. And if you're not crying, I thought I'm in the hop. I have to go and sleep at the hotel. I'm a call boy saying 1 or 2 beer and I'm there no my. You see, why are you so quiet?
I'm not quiet. I'm fine. I'm just feeling uncomfortable. That's it.
Uncomfortable about the.
About you, I don't know. I don't have a problem with you, but it's about your friend. That guy. Penasem. I don't know why. Penasem. I just can't like him. And Kaude and Camille is so comfortable and okay, but picture anymore. I don't get it. Like I feel so some type of way.
Miss Lottie, I do get what you're saying. It's not say, oh yeah, my friend knows what I say. Look at me. Me kind of friends are me no more virus no onye near them so what I say onye close to them, but it say me bahood him they will no see accept me no na my be pen asem they will see judgment and besides no oye real so what I say yam put in the bar side and say nyoma no oye real when him say kan ya ma me hu say no friend be no near there on any group. But due to say senior down for the ninda honintino e so twin ho no de no better at least no so play business idea be. That's what I say. And Mr. Just forget about him. Forget about virus. Forget about him, Mr. Be cool, yeah?
It's not like I just don't want to do anything with you, but maybe you're fall back. I've been in that situation before and I just don't want to repeat myself again. That's why I want to stay cool.
What a beautiful girl. What a... I'm a home papa. Hey!
Thank you.
As I was more phenomenal, I swear.
But that's all right.
Well, I'm sure I'm human when my son is sharing. And the hook, come on. By the way, you're frozen.
It's okay. The family,
I'm a day.
Okay.
I'm a day.
That's my name, Mama.
You are indeed a beautiful girl, not ever.
Matthias Square.
When you say, I may be one more when you fell from Cassava hat, but I won't move.
You'll be all cry or be Tremaco.
Oh, and you say I'm a friend.
I said,
but that's me who wanna like.
No.
And my me feelings as a strap off on the bones and wish you. Well,
where you come from?
But
okay.
All right.
Oh, not yet.
That's all right.
Oh, why not? No worry.
Hey. Now what am I?
I don't.
How's the other? When you got up here and the crab I cooked it. Then I need pressure on the canopy. John will be asking me who he. Come out and so kind of coins are not for so who. So my cat was a pair and trying to meet me from top to down to me waist to everything. We've been at him. Laburu. The time I've been at him. Now, my time I who do. But am I ham? But oh, some Maria, they are still who face generosity, front to front, back to back. Yes, so me chairman when you be John papa.
Na ada wona be pe ada o chama no omo woni mo ba o pe na se den. Ah wona be pe ma mani.
Ska ofi, but untimi se ma pe.
Eh. Enembre.
Enembre dey ni bi. Anything na ma na yede. Etwi ni bi. Nze ma ro na say ha wa me dem nze me pe kwa papa ma so because me nim ho hwe nka me nte gata ho. So what are ma? What do number ba ma na say?
Pacho, me to be farmer because me that say me to be farmer. Why? Because
oh, there be bonus man.
There be na wa someone who can number be poor be ma e try be nia.
And I'm just say.
O chama ni we catch am say you no cry na be pay.
The ma dey here nintin. Osro men kasa.
Excuse me, Pacho. They have been nice enough. It's okay, let me go. Oh, come on.
E bia na dachi bi oni me chama na ma ba bi.
Be sorry.
Fankoto dwen. E ya senso de say me na bunkoto dwen ma o ti ase ma chama.
Sorry, there be o someone who can because what to be then I'll leave you. I will leave you. Oh, bra. I don't know where sir. Oh, there's sorry, me no problem.
Me nipra. The whole world for me try who say no problem.
Kasa fine, but men kasa o be tell me am no.
But all that je, o do bora mani kuso.
Oh.
Pacho ara.
Esa do sa ho yi na sa fa.
Okay. Me shoot true color.
Oh, okay.
But my first is 8-9.
Oh, I remember.
Mama, French, come tell me.
I don't know my wrong number.
I will
me my wrong number, but then no. And yes, so pen I walk on a material. Who's in the panel back?
Yeah, that's
and that's fine. But so we poor be a mobile there. It's not done. You know something. You just share. Bye-bye. Okay, you are welcome. Oh, pray. We ain't count. Bye-bye.
Muska come we pa what are there sra ho.
Stay cool. I'm not.
I Simone, you know I'll know what to do. Is what I say. So let me know. Apart from schooling, what do you do again? What? Yeah.
Apart from school, I run. Sometimes I go to my mom's shop, and she has a shop. She has a shop at Etum.
Etum. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so sometimes I go to her shop, and my dad too is the CEO. I won't mention my dad's name. So when I'm free, I just go to his office, and then. Yeah, I just keep him company, and I run his business. Sometimes I run his business, like assistant CEO, something like that for my dad. Yeah.
Lottie.
Yeah.
I love who you are. For the first time I'm meeting you, no. Oh yeah, your mommy won't say this you. Why do you want to lie to me? Have you forgotten what you just said to me? Say, oh, Kassan, or say, oh, dear, oh, yeah, we can form, but you might be one more, you don't do it. And see, I didn't think I see an open so you did other girls lady, AB. Not to see, I love everything about you. Please be real with me, okay? If you are so on Yanko Pono, or I'm bossing and Santiago in Nanya, that's what I say. Me no, ye will me to scheme. Anna, me hard working smart way, mamma bedroom peppers way. Sebi, Kabi be a woe to you know, and your home enemy say. Look at you. No, Lottie, don't fake it. Please, I like you, that's why I'm saying this. Please be real with me.
That's what my dad is a CEO.
No, Lottie, you are still lying. Please, don't lie to me. I don't like it. All lie, I'll be pissing me off. I like who you are. So please, what do you have to say to me? What do you have to say to me? No, forget about it. I do understand you. I know how it is. So what do you have to say to me? No, feel free. Feel free and talk to me. What do you have to say to me? Just say you're sorry and I'll be fine, yeah?
Sorry.
Don't do that again. I love you for who you are, okay? Let's take a walk.
Yo, what's up? Okay. what's happening? The mood has swinged, right?
No, it's fine. It's fine. I stepped out. Yeah, I did. Guy be not doing share no. Don't take offense to. Guy be virus. Yeah. So okay, guy no.
Oh, me kind of virus in time.
Who say share no new guy be asem no. The new friend we not know.
Oh yeah. I remember. What's up?
I went to meet him. Now, take it easy. Let me explain.
When am I back to meet him?
Not at your back, but said virus. You did kind and I didn't like it. See, we're not kind. I wanted to meet the guy personally, like meaning in your interaction. I mean, say, yeah, he might be a good person. You know, I'm aging. I have to be in a serious.
Are you ready to settle down?
Yes, I am. So
really, you are for people.
Just call it whatever I want to call it. Yeah, I'm ready to settle down. So I went to see the boy, but I think I like him.
So you had sex?
Are you serious right now?
Just talking.
It was just a conversation.
I just want to know, did you have sex with him?
Abina, we never had sex. We didn't kiss. It's just a conversation.
So are you catching feelings?
Like,
be real. I'm your friend. Are you catching feelings?
You know, first guy no introducing a chairman. No says a guy no. I said now you click your conversation cry. You didn't come out saying this is
but with guy.
Yes, but with this particular guy, no, he sounds matured. Like only make us. Why are you laughing?
Matured in what way? Like I said.
Abina, you don't understand what I'm trying to say. But I said like. It's not like I'm falling in love or I'm catching. I don't know if I'm.
You are catching feelings from your reaction. I can see you are catching feelings because Obama Bema compliment you. That means something.
I am not catching.
So just be real with me and talk to me as your friend. I'm your friend. You can't hide anything from me.
Oh, me didn't come out. Or kasa to say obia. Wa fabra bonim kakra. Wa bobra kakra. He's matured. Yeah, can you imagine say you started see a deep business home come and you know I've been wanting to do this thing. See, or this uncle on the buy, I was like, yeah, this is the kind of person I want to be in a relationship with.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I am. I'm serious.
I can see some love in the air.
It's not love, but it's like I like this guy.
So what's your next move? What do you want to do with him? Like, do you want to have a relationship with him or just a normal friend?
I'm not certain yet, but I just want to keep observing him. Like,
can you keep your distance to figure out your feelings for him? Maybe with me who say like, oh no, pay like also you're not the one that first come in your mind, you know, or then you the love of your life. But
I'm not ready to fall in love right now. I'm just.
You're tired of falling in love.
Yes, I just want to know him. Maybe we can start something, but he sounds good. He sounds matured, and then he's knowledgeable. He's a good boss.
Can virus. Can virus. Bro, no, bro. No, man. Oh, boss. Oh, Shami. Okay, blaze up.
It will different when you so. Where's our cotton crowd? And now, when I'm to
no, brother. I say, anything you know, vibe for be more time. She's so pink, yeah. She's so pink.
I am tough.
No, make it pink. On the London slang with pink.
Oh, okay,
no more for beautiful. No, pink. Yeah, pink. So, babes, make a check for some background and idea. Let's go. At least you want to prepare something for me. You know what it is, man. No. Babes.
Babe.
No. Come on. Yeah, coffee.
What do you want to eat? I can just make it in my hostel and then serve you as a king.
Babes, listen. House. I just want to feel comfortable. Bro, woman, it's not anything being a business street, hostel, restaurant, no. Don't do this to me, babes. Don't do this. Don't say no, please. I what?
I just forgot.
You forgot what?
When you send me what a meet them and nature.
No, don't. It's not about oh no.
Who said a terrible man kasa? Minim how be musi home. Minim sana as a Jimmy say there.
And what's
But
wrong?
as a crowd on man, I can I free.
Oh. What was it? No. I've told you, Lottie, fake to me, yeah. With me.
Boy, no, if you want to person. They're not me dinner child.
That Sakura 16 guy, no, yeah.
Sir, no, me worry, na meka.
Maybe now Tom and Nina.
The man
are you okay? No, are you okay?
Baby, Tom and Nina can pass a coming.
Babes, don't fake it to me,
I'm
yeah.
not faking.
And yes,
you know I love you.
No, and yes,
Sama,
yeah. Virus, talk to me. I know you're real.
The Odin, Mamenka. Sir, Aqualan Tikuno not if you want them. It may be or the forget.
Virus.
Messiah, when you can't Chamas Aquanda. Scan of the man and mechanical credit. So, Yammy, I'm a Tim who from the Yamaka. Scan of the brew or the fair drew so. What? Or the draw echo the T sister. And I'm going to say when you're
within dates, babe. The thing is,
no. Chill.
Virus, we didn't
Babes,
yes.
Lotorial. I don't know, yeah, you know. It's not what you on Rostro, and I'm just saying, when you control him, a do not take.
Babe, the
thing is, did not me, I come make with you.
I know.
Lottie, don't talk. Virus, keep on talking. I'm listening.
Someone, it's the chance say, or by the time I'm here, so person you could feel any argument with Mr. Holmes as if you're the uncle and I'm better to see when I take control. When you're the man in Shanokra, and I mean, himself, they always see a big man, wouldn't have desire when Yama. Because now, time I found hotel. Big man, yeah, baby, I don't know how you couldn't feel. I don't so rent it. Me, better from who different between one only as Messi.
Lottie, see, I've told you, sir, what I hate is lies, pretending.
I don't know my car, almost say, be a crashing, no, but if you see the pen was in the pain.
Listen, sir, Obama person, no, bro. I can decide, say, meet me in the hotel, be already or crying, but it doesn't sound worse, what I say. You being with me, beat me on my mind, I feel comfortable. Sebi, oh no, bro, your man. Oh no. Sebi, car dada, beat him here there. I thought in the car mono. Forget about that guy. And yes, if you say, the love of our lives comes after the mistakes of our lives. That's what I say. Forget about everything. Let's go home.
We didn't date though.
Don't. Some date you, man date you. Virus. And or say what or say aside drew and drew now what can. Sa guy no I say na virus on say also me do ho ya no listen
first na me di na me di me but na me di what me suan yansa masesa
you see what I was telling
you eh we aso o do ho bo yansa na wo suan yansa do mo kwasea wo ye kwasea me di what me ankasa me the difference say oba de opana be real o de wa ho ofe e na wo no kredie ni wo sika
thank you sorry babes.
Yes my love,
don't be nervous, you're with me, yeah. Obi ntimi enye de embassy with you, yeah. I know. Sebi that guy no or kasa anyhow.
So is that let me and fabric by reg sorry. No send the brand on fabric or the dollar ban. Babo or tan because the brand who says call the black on your fanya fee. So last time one now the brand a pound.
Forget about it.
Someone will be on Joby as
forget about it.
As some with your passes also one tea.
I love you. I love you. And I don't care about anybody, yeah. Let's go.
Then anybody say I'm penasem no can I say plain. I don't care about anybody. Maybe you don't man chama. And how home?
No, she's my queen, yeah. No.
Oh, that will be medium.
No, obey me be
my
queen.
I say over say na me myself.
Come here.
Wait, come meet me and ready and no hostel.
I said, what?
Nah. Chama do can waka.
Go sit down. Come on. Feel free. No, Lottie, I want you to be you, yeah? Why are you faking? You still fake? No, I don't like this. Open so there. No, you can go. No. Don't fake it.
Chama, but someone yard ye be keke. Fana ko fio.
Let's go.
Ye be keke.
Watch me do it, yeah?
Watch me do it. Someone ye be keke.
Sure, bro. Virus, I swear. Okay, relax. Oh, memo crap.
So,
your mama memo you know. Lord is in control. Big ups to you. Thank you. Sit down. Oh no, I'm okay. Sit down. Let's go. Sit down.
What's in your Mr.
Oh, yes. Sit down. Lottie, I say feel free. Okay?